So this evening, let me quickly demonstrate how you can use the Facebook Ad Manager to create ad. So this is the Facebook app, the Facebook Ad Manager. It's better to use it because it gives you opportunity to explore more tools, more options. So now we have this, you can create ad using, you can tap this plus sign below it if you want to create ad. Let me put it in my own account. So when you tap this plus sign, it's going to take you here, asking you to select the objective. It's asking what's your marketing objective. So if your marketing objective, the other time we use website traffic, it might be video view. Maybe you want people to see your video or page like. Say for instance, we want it to be, let's get messages. Message can either be WhatsApp message or Facebook message. It can only be WhatsApp message if you have connected your business WhatsApp to it. So now it's asking us to select the image you want to use. So you can select the image. We have the page image, the camera roll. The page image are those images you have uploaded on your page. Camera roll are those ones that you have on your phone. The ad image are those ones you've used for ad before. Instagram are those ones you have on Instagram. If you connect your Instagram to it, then other applications are those you have on other applications. You can select. You can still locate your phone gallery. So now let's assume we are picking from our ad image. Let's pick from our ad image. So let's assume we are picking this. So you click the next arrow button towards the bottom. Yeah, now you have the opportunity to also change the headline if you want. You can change the headline. Maybe by looking good is not only about money. You have to use a catchy headline. Then this is the primary text. Remember I told you you can add as many primary texts here as we can see compared to when we were using Facebook Lite, which were when we were restricted to just 90 characters. So we can add as many texts. You add the text you want. Then placement. The placement is asking you where do you want it to be placed. Mostly, if you are creating it will be on an automatic, but you can make it to be manual by selecting where you want it to be placed. Do you want it to appear on desktop or on mobile? Do you want it to appear only on Facebook? Under Facebook, like I explained, we have different options: feed, instant article, eStream. So if you want it to appear in all this area, to be placed in all this area, you select it. If not, you can deselect some of them. Then also your Instagram, you also have two options there: feed and story. You select audience reach. You also have three options. You select whichever one you want. Then messenger, we have two options as well: inbox and story. So after selecting and you are okay with it, you can mark the green button above. So you have selected your placement. This is how it's showing you the preview, how it's going to appear. And since we are selecting lot of placements, then we have lot of different preview for mobile feed, for Instagram story, and so on and so forth. So you can allow the preview to show and you look at it. If you are okay with the way the preview will be, how it will be appearing on different places, then you can move ahead. If you are okay, you click the next arrow button. Here you have the opportunity to edit your audience. Yeah, the audience since you have not created, if you have not created any custom audience or lookalike audience, the only one that is available is your core audience. So you can edit in terms of age, location, and their interest. So you have it, you edit it like we did yesterday. The audience, then in terms of detailed targeting, you put your either the demographic or interest or behavior of those people you are looking up to. And it also gives you opportunity to exclude. Maybe you want to exclude some people from seeing your ad. Take for instance, I'm into marketing. I want to target my advert to business people. But I may decide to exclude those that are into marketing by job title. So I can exclude marketing, for instance, marketing by job title. I can leave all this one that have it as, I can exclude this, which is job title. I can leave those that have it as interest. So those one might be business people that want my product. But those that their job title is marketing officer, marketing assistant, I can exclude them because which means they already know what I'm doing. So there's no point sending my advert to them. So if you are okay with it, you can exclude them and you save. Then you click the arrow button to save the audience. You set the age as well. You set the age and every other thing. Then you move on. Here you have your campaign budget. You have the daily or the lifetime. So you can decide to adjust and set your budget. Let's assume we want to make it 500 per day. Then do you want it to start now or to start later? Then if you want your ad to be running continuously, you mark this. So it won't have any end date. Or if you don't want it to run later, if you don't want it to be running continuously, you have to put the end date. So let's assume we want it to run continuously. So we only have the start date. So we can put start now. Then the delivery. Under the delivery, you have two delivery. It's good to always select manual delivery, automatic rather, so that you will be able to make good use of that. It automatically let Facebook set the bid that help you get the most result at the best price. So it's better you allow Facebook to do that for you. Then if you are okay with the delivery, you move on. Then you click the final button to place your ad. Then your ad when you place the order, your ad will now be submitted and Facebook will review it. Thank you. So that's that.